Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to restore old teammates' photo, those faded, folded or scarred pictures and make them look brand new again using Google latest tools powered by Nano Banana AI. It's super easy, no Photoshops needed. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your Google Gemini in your browser and then log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just go to the Tools sections or Tools icon. This one, just tap on it. And then choose Create Images. This one, just tap on it. This new feature lets you edit and repair images instantly just by typing a simple prompt. Now let's upload the old photo that you want to restore. Just tap on plus button and then upload files like this, and then after uploading just go to the prompt box and then just type a prompt like this. And okay, like this, in just a few seconds Gemini will process your image. You will see the photo a little bit fixed, but there are still faults or scars. So you can tweak the prompt for improve the photo more better. For example, like this. For example, like this, and then just generate. Like this. And okay, that's it. You have successfully restored an old damaged photo into something fresh and new with just a few clicks. No complicated software, just simple AI magic with Gemini powered by Nano Banana. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.